Good evening everyone. I am Mandar Tare, Head of Sales for BMW Eminent Cars, Surat and Vadodara. A warm welcome to all for the digital launch of our all-new 2 Series Grand Coupe. For obvious reasons, we are doing this launch online and I must admit that we are missing you all. Without taking much of your time, let me introduce you to this irresistible car, the all-new BMW 2 Series Grand Coupe. This is the first time that BMW is introducing the 2 Series Grand Coupe in the Indian market. Please join us in unveiling the car. Isn't it irresistible? A first in segment Grand Coupe, best in class feature packed cabin, stylish, bold, refreshing, clubbed with BMW performance. I think you should visit us and check out the new joy in town, the BMW 2 Series Grand Coupe. Rest assured, we have taken the utmost precautions for the safety of our employees and for you. Wishing you all a good health and a very happy Navratri. Now, I would invite our product genius, Mr. Puneet Sharma, to give you a virtual tour of the car. Over to you, Puneet.
Well, thank you, Mr. Tare, for the wonderful introduction of BMW 2 Series Grand Coupe. Good evening, all of you. My name is Puneet Sharma. I am BMW product genius in BMW Eminent Cars. So, let me give you a walk around demo of BMW 2 Series Grand Coupe. So, this is BMW 2 Series Grand Coupe. So, this is the Alpine white color, and we have the 220D M Sport variant over here. And this model comes with, as you can see, the BMW double bar kidney wheels. So, it gives your car a more impressive and a state segment look. With this chrome finish and the silver effect, this gives your car more styling and the premium exterior. Then you have the LED fog lamps over here, sir. So, in the LED fog lamps, this is the glossy black surrounded, and then you have BMW LED headlamps with double bezel LED lights, sir. And now we are talking about the car bonnet. So, this is the, you can see this bonnet is long and this stylish with the trees lines, again gives your car aggressive sensation look. So, let me talk about the interior of BMW 2 Series Grand Coupe. So, here the M steering wheel in the car, the paddle shifters, and you are getting BMW cruise control with braking function and speed limit function. Addition of that, you are getting voice assistant feature with BMW virtual assistant feature, and then you have BMW Live Cockpit Professional function with multimedia and GPS system, and then you have a additional GPS navigation over the speedometer. Then you have iDrive function with ID7, the new software system in BMW, and you have 3-zone auto climate AC in the car. So, here you can adjust your climates as per your requirement. Then you have the BMW wireless charging feature in the car, and this car, this M Sport variant comes with a gesture control feature. So, there are total 9 gestures which you can operate from this side only. You have the BMW ambient lighting with such color combination, and you have the USB panel here. This gives your car a glossy black gear lever. So, here you can see the handwriting touchpad function with the power cruise control function, and then you have the glove box with the storage in the car. In this model, you are getting the sport seats option. So, in the sport seats, your thigh supports can be extended as per your requirement. You have the panorama sunroof over there in the model, and then you have the black anthracite finish in this M Sport variant. So, now let me take you the rear end of the car. So, now you can see the rear tail lamps. So, it gives your car a wrap round shape, and this tail lamps gives your car a more dynamic look. So, here you can see the BMW 220D diesel variant is there with the BMW logo, and this gloss black finish gives your car again an impressive look, right? And then you have the boot area. So, this car comes with a 430 liter boot space, and you have a 40-20-40 ratio of seat folding option in the car, and there is a spare tire which is a space saver tire in the car with the toolkit area. And then in the car You have rear parking sensor with the rear camera option, and your two exhaust tailpipes with both tailpipes are operational, and here this gives you this chrome surrounded, gives your car more sportier and luxurious look. Okay, now the side of the car, first of all you can see these crease lines, these two shoulder lines gives your car a more aggressive and sportier look, and then you have the Hofmeister design. This gives your quarter panel area more roomy and the interiors are more spacious, right? And in this model you are getting this frameless doors, again a premium segment, and this is the first of class segment which comes in your BMW 2 Series Grand Coupe. Here I had talked about the panorama sunroof over there and this sleek exterior of the car. So you have the Grand Coupe design, the sleek roof line which gives your car more sportier look, and then you have the BMW logo over here. So it can project BMW logo on the lower part of the car, and this the M logo in the side of the door. So it gives it, this is a M Sport variant. So in the M Sport you got this M logo over here in car. In BMW we believe shared driving pleasure, and for shared driving pleasure in BMW the heart of the car is BMW engine, and in the BMW engine we have the BMW twin power technology. So this car comes with a front wheel drive system, and this car comes with a 2-liter diesel engine which gives you a power 190 horsepower and 400 Nm torque, and this car is quickest in just in 7.5 seconds. So here you can see the engine layout of the car with the BMW strut, so it gives your engine layout more standy look. So I would like now to call my sales team to talk about the car. Thank you so much, and thank you for joining us in our BMW 2 Series official launch. Thank you.
Good evening everybody. I am Tanvir Sayyed from BMW Eminent Cars, Surat. I am handling sales over here. I personally feel about this car, amazing design with extremely good performance. I personally invite you to take a test drive of this car. Thank you.
Good evening everyone, myself Salman Pinjari. I am from BMW Eminent Cars, Surat, and I am looking here sales. My personal opinion about the BMW 2 Series Grand Coupe, it has a bold and stylish look from the exterior, and it has many more features inside the cabin. So kindly visit the showroom, see the car, feel the features and take the test drive of the car. Thank you.
Good evening everyone, my name is Nivedit Behra. I am looking for sales at BMW Surat. This is the first ever BMW 2 Series Grand Coupe launched by BMW. So I would request all of you to visit showroom and take a test drive of BMW 2 Series Grand Coupe. Thank you.